guys, Moz here from Moz651 Models. We're a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Going on for the series of Eggplanes that I've been doing, or caricature sort of models. This kit by Meng Kids is a He.177 bomber, Eggplane 003. It's for the age 8+. These kits are like caricatures or cartoony type models, and they really are aimed for the children who find a starter kit a bit daunting, like a Spitfire, but they have outgrown using the quick build or Lego style model kit. They are fantastic, these kits, and when we get inside the box I'll show you why. You've got some art on the front. On the side you have some information about the bomber. Again, on the edge you have the same artwork as you do on the front of the box. On the side you have a bit of a call out on what it will look like once it's finished, and then you have the same on the side. So we'll open up the box. It's a top opening box. Can I just point out, these kits particularly are very, very well packaged. Everything is in its own separate bag. So, as I was saying, these kits are actually very, very well made. They're quite thick plastic. Just on the side note, as I was saying, they are well packaged. It's like every piece here was all in its own separate bag to protect it. There you have the body of the plane there. There's no real detail to it, no real panel lines or anything like that. It just looks the part, if you know what I mean. There's the top part here, and it all just slots together without too much to do. The wings on top, you know, it is a really, really easy plane to build. Nothing fancy to it at all. And as I was saying, it is for those children who have just moved on a little bit from Lego kits. You're 12 to 14 years old sort of kind of kit. Adult supervision, obviously. There's all your parts. You can see on the sprues there's the props there. Nice chunky detail there. Nothing too fancy. Yeah, I think they're your bombs there. They're easy to put together as well. It's all pretty smart. Then these are, of course, stickers. You know, there's no decals in this one. It's just stickers, because it is, as I said, for the older sort of age range to do a model. And that's really much it. We'll have a look at the instructions. We go through the instructions, and as a call out there, all the pieces that you need. Clear parts. As I said, the clear parts are fantastic. They really do look the part. Nice grooves in them. Very clear, very crisp. Good bit of kit there. Start off with the story of it. So the propeller was driven by 2 engines. So you've got the propeller, and then there's, you know, you fit all the engines on together. You know, just shows you how it all goes together. It's really nice. A little bit of history in this one. So there's the fuselage part all together. Nose and tail fin assembly all here. Pretty good. And then it says there's a gun under the nose. The Fritz X-bomb. So those all bits go together nicely. The Fritz X-bomb could be carried under the belly too. So there you go. You got 1, 2, 3. So you got one on each wing, one under the belly, and then it has the painting, which is your dark green, your red, your gunmetal. Unfortunately, it doesn't actually give you any numbers, but as you can see, you can decide which manufacturer paint you can go for. It just gives you a basic guide on what the colours should be: black, dark green, gloss black, grey green. So yeah, it's your bog standard World War II colours. This came with it as well. I think it just explains which engines where, but it's all in Chinese. There you go. That was a review of the Meng Kids He.177 bomber, code MP-plane-003. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of any new videos. Any thoughts, any questions, put them in the comments box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.